2024 Best Motorcycle for Beginners Harley Davidson Iron 883. In the realm of motorcycles designed for beginners, the 2024 Harley Davidson Iron 883 stands out as an iconic and rebellious option, offering novice riders a taste of the legendary Harley Davidson lifestyle. Recognized as one of the best motorcycles for beginners, the Iron 883 seamlessly combines Harley Davidson's heritage with a design that exudes raw power, classic styling, and an unmistakable attitude. In 2024, the Iron 883 continues to captivate riders worldwide, serving as a symbol of accessible performance, individuality, and the thrill of mastering the art of motorcycling. 1. Timeless and aggressive design. The Harley Davidson Iron 883 features a timeless and aggressive design, setting it apart as a visually striking and rebellious option for beginner riders. With its dark, matte finishes, minimalist aesthetic, and the signature peanut fuel tank, the Iron 883 exudes a sense of classic rebellion and raw power. Harley Davidson's commitment to a design that speaks to the spirit of freedom and individuality ensures that the Iron 883 not only delivers a visually impactful riding experience but also stands as a symbol of the brand's dedication to crafting motorcycles that embody the essence of rebellion. 2. Air-cooled Evolution engine for distinctive power. At the heart of the Iron 883 lies an air-cooled, 883 cubic centimeters Evolution engine, offering a distinctive and torque-rich power delivery. Harley Davidson's engine design focuses on providing a visceral riding experience, making it an ideal choice for novice riders seeking a bike that emanates power and character. The Iron 883's engine offers sufficient power for cruising city streets, embarking on weekend rides, and experiencing the joy of open-road cruising, providing a platform for riders to delve into the world of motorcycling with a rebellious spirit. 3. Comfortable seating and classic ergonomics. Designed for comfort and a classic riding posture, the Harley Davidson Iron 883 features a solo seat and mid-mounted foot controls. The bike's low-slung profile and comfortable ergonomics ensure that riders can enjoy an authentic cruiser experience without sacrificing comfort. Harley Davidson's commitment to rider comfort makes the Iron 883 not only a rebellious option but also a practical and enjoyable companion for riders looking to explore the world of motorcycling with attitude. 4. Nimble handling and easy maneuverability. Crafted for nimble handling and easy maneuverability, the Iron 883 features a responsive chassis that allows riders to confidently navigate through urban landscapes. The bike's low center of gravity, agile handling, and user-friendly ergonomics make it easy for beginners to master low-speed maneuvers, ensuring an enjoyable riding experience. The Iron 883's nimble nature enhances its approachability, allowing riders to comfortably develop their skills and savor the thrill of cruising with attitude. 5. Integration of classic features. The 2024 Iron 883 seamlessly integrates classic features to enhance the overall riding experience. These include wire-spoke wheels, a side-mounted license plate, and Harley Davidson's timeless styling, adding essential elements to the classic cruiser package. Harley Davidson ensures that the Iron 883 remains a symbol of the timeless cruiser spirit, appealing to riders who appreciate the fusion of classic design with the rebellious ethos of the brand. Conclusion. The 2024 Harley Davidson Iron 883 stands as a global icon of entry-level motorcycling rebellion, securing its position as one of the best motorcycles for beginners. Its timeless and aggressive design, distinctive air-cooled engine, comfortable ergonomics, nimble handling, and integration of classic features make it an unrivaled choice for novice riders venturing into the world of motorcycling with a desire for individuality. Whether mastering the basics, cruising city streets with attitude, or embarking on weekend adventures, the Iron 883 encapsulates the spirit of Harley Davidson's dedication to crafting motorcycles that redefine the boundaries of accessible and rebellious motorcycling. As a symbol of accessible performance, individuality, and the joy of mastering the art of riding, the 2024 Harley Davidson Iron 883 rightfully claims its place as a global legend in the realm of motorcycles for beginners.